Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to cancel Netflix subscription. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to cancel your Netflix subscription, you need to make sure that you sign in into your account on a web browser. So once you sign in into your Netflix account through a web browser, you need to simply tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Once you simply tap on the profile icon, you can simply scroll down to the account section. Now you need to land in the account page and select cancel membership, and then you need to click on the manage membership option to get this option. So once you tap on manage membership, you can find the option called cancel membership at the end of the screen. Now you need to tap on finish cancellation, and this works for web, TV and mobile. But if you have subscribed via a third party like Apple or Google, you must cancel through that specific provider. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.